Hey guys, do you see the little trail in the grass here? It's going across here. If you look carefully, where is he now? There's the ant busy carrying a little food source. And here we've got an ant nest in a bit of a field. When these ants get into the house, it's rather annoying. But if you look carefully, and if you will be able to see them, let's try and get closer. You can see the ants scurrying. And here we've got another ant trail. You can't see it too well. Where's my finger? Goes along, splits up there a bit, coming this way, Y shape, and in here. Now, a reason why this is important is that you can actually, I just want to see if I can get a close-up of an ant. Where are you, you little blighter? Hey, there you are. Oh, sorry guys, not feeling too well today. Oh no, it's disappeared. But yeah, you guys can actually follow the ants on the ant trails. Try not to disturb the trail because they use their pheromones to follow each other. But the reason why this is important, especially for survival in survival situations and all that, is that when you see a field with ant trails, and like now there's not much activity on the trails, you can actually know that you won't have rain for a while. So hey guys, sorry about that short cut off. Yeah, I ran out of memory space, so I needed to make a plan. So as I was saying, if you follow ant trails, you can sorry, my throat's still horrible. I look horrid. I'm booked off sick for a few days. Yeah, so I'm at home, Kim is at work. Anyway, so you follow the ant trails, those little odd pathways that you see in field areas. Then if it's little to no activity like you saw on the previous videos, then you're still good. You'll have sun for a while. But when you see the activity increase and you see a lot of ants on a single trail, then you should know within the next while, give or take anything from a couple of days to up to 2 weeks, you can be expecting some rain. Let me just adjust here. So when you're out in a survival situation and you unsure about the environment, that's just one way that you can help yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, comment down below. See you guys next time. Enjoy.
Let's tell the world all the things we've done, falling in love in the setting sun. I've got a song and a smile so bright, I'll make you wish you were here tonight.